Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about e to the power of s equal to tan t squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have to tan t secant of t squared dt. We know that e to the power of s, that is about this one. So I will put this one gone here. And later that, we divide both sides by tan t squared. This one we change by this one. The s we change by this one. Next, tan t squared plus 1 we change by secant of t squared. The square root of this one, we have secant of t. Later that, we simplify secant of t. Next, this one, that is about 1 over cosine t. This one, that is about sin t over cosine t. And now we need to simplify cosine t. And this one we have cosecant of t. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 Ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we put the square root for the both sides. And we have t equals to arctan of this one. So now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.